Hey guys, your old pal Hall of Fantasy here. Today we're making chicken wings. Haha, a rarity for me. So today's recipe, hang on a second. All right, so recently there was a bit of a kerfuffle on social media with, I think,
Paula Patton.
She made her chicken wings and she seasoned the chicken while it was inside of the grease being fried and not before. So I decided to give it a try. Let's see what happens. So I got my flour right here. Wings go in here. Give them a shake. From there into this hot skillet. And then we'll season them and see how it goes, all right? All right, let's have some fun. We'll do the flats first, I guess, right? It's not a flat. Oh well. Wait a minute. Okay. All inside my little Tupperware. And our seasonings are just seasoning salt. And I think she said paprika and some black pepper, and that's it. Shake off the excess. Okay. I might have too much oil. Dang it. Add seasoning salt. Some pepper. And paprika. Okay, let's turn it over and season again. Okay. Seasoning salt, some pepper, and the paprika. And from here on, just cook it like your regular fried chicken, turning it over periodically and making sure it doesn't burn. Give the right doneness, and you're ready to go. So I still have one more small batch left of chicken to cook, and be back when it's all done. All right, we're all done. Took a little nap first. Okay, ate one already. So here is a flat. Looks fine. Okay, a little bit pale on one side, but let's take a bite, see how it is. Okay, not bad. You can taste some of the seasoning, but of course, because when it's submerged in the grease, you cannot season the whole thing. Like for example, maybe about, let's see if on the video or not, this much will get seasoning, and on the same time, maybe this much will get seasoning, not the whole thing, but it tastes fine. As far as would I use this
Paula Patton
method of seasoning the chicken while it's frying? Yeah, I don't think so. But overall, it's not bad though. I mean, if you forget to add the seasoning that's in the grease, go ahead and add whatever you use and see what happens. But overall, not bad. All right, you guys. Like I always say, see it, buy it, try it, and hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day.